Dear friends, today we are talking about metadata. So I am Chandrasekhar Khairnar, working as a librarian at Radhabai Kale Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Ahmednagar. Here we see what is metadata, the importance of metadata, the today's need of the metadata, and what is use of metadata in online resources as well as in libraries, its importance, its types and other things. So first of all we see what is metadata. In simple way we say the data about data. What is meaning of data about data? Data means raw things, and when data talks about the data means data about data is metadata. So here we present the here we see the example, the January 31 2001. Simply we write these types of the date of 31 January 2001. According 31 January, reverse order, and we see how to write, how to meanings we see. Then after, the bibliographic data of book, caption of an images. See, this is the metadata. The one person carrying a books, carrying a document with. So here we see the books. So how we identify the books? When it was published, who is written this book, who is author, what the name of the book, how many pages, the copyright information, in which country it was published. This is the everyday metadata we see. This is one product. There is the information about the product, what the elements are included this product. It's list wise details are mentioned. So we see metadata or cataloging. In according to libraries, we say the cataloging. Cataloging means the details, the bibliographic details of the book, and the metadata means the web pages, web documents details. We are not calling the bibliography. Bibliographic details means the books details, and the web document details means metadata. In the according to the old libraries, old way, the working persons in the libraries, they always do this work. It is called the cataloging, control vocabulary, indexing format. In the metadata, there is a format is Mark 21. Mark 21 means machine readable cataloging. Here see the specific definitions of the metadata. Tim Berners-Lee says, machine understandable information about the web resources or other things. And the second definition is the bibliographic description of the web online resources. It is called the metadata. So we see the metadata is the structured information that describes, explains, locates, and otherwise make it easier to retrieve. So this is the important work of the metadata. The specific information, there is the explosion of information in the web. So how the users find the information. If users get the information in a right way, there is a need of the metadata. So we earlier talk about the need of the metadata. Here is as like the need of the metadata is the documents, the proper documents retrieved in a timely. This is the need of the metadata. The second thing is, according to libraries, we as we catalog the books and other print documents, it is even important and needed to describe and manage the right detail of the online and digital information. C can be the explain as this is the screenshot of web page. So how to create the metadata of website? There is a creator who creates the website, the title of the this web page, the publisher, date of creation, and the last one, the important thing is the copyright. There is a digital rights. This is according to libraries. Book catalogs include author, title, publisher, year, and accession number. Kind of metadata. There is a three types of metadata: the descriptive metadata, structural metadata, and third is the administrative metadata. So with here we are talking here the second type of structural metadata. So for the web resources, there is a need of the metadata standards. The standards as following: Dublin Core, encoded archival description, and mark. In the administrative metadata, it includes the right management of metadata, technical metadata, and reservation metadata. This is the features of metadata. There is a three types of features. One is the content, second is the context, and the third is structure. When we talk about the content, tell about the products, the one thing, specific information it contains. Second is context, indicates the who, what. There is the four type of W, and one is H. Aspects of the object creation. The third is the structure, given relation between the intrinsic and extrinsic information. This is the function of metadata. See, resource identification, resource disclosure, resource authenticity, its evaluation, it is the timely retrieval, its management, preservation, verification, its property, intellectual property rights, copyrights, interoperability, and provide scopes of locating useful information. Example: metadata can whether an article is written by our aunt Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. This is the location of metadata. In the according to libraries, how to find the books, which racks which book is available. So we see it from the OPAC, which books available in the library. In the remote place, users want to know which books, which edition, latest edition. For example, latest edition, somebody want the latest edition, they can go through the OPAC. Second is the website. Some of the standards of metadata. This is the standards. Most of the use the Dublin Core, Mark 21. This is the conclusion. Here we talking about the importance of the metadata, its need, today's need, and the explosion of the information. How the metadata can create in the web pages, in digital resources, and its importance. And second one is the This is the very intellectual work. This is a very intellectual work, and it is a significant in the today's ICT scenario. Thank you. This is the references. Uh, Thank you.